say because he no dey cry for live video, no me say she no dey hot. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Korra. Korra say the way people take they insult her, they send a message, if you just open in Facebook, insult, you don't want to settle with your husband, you don't want to settle with your husband. She say una no know wetin she dey pass through for inside body, because she know dey come out for live video come cry, and una no know whether she don cry for inside house before. So make we take am easy with Korra, because right now Korra needs our support, you understand, our prayer, because e say one someday she go come out come talk the story, her story, so that maybe we know wetin she dey pass through for inside the marriage, you understand. So people go just dey talk. So I dey pity for the girl. No easy for two children. If she dey do makeup now, the baby go dey cry. She see run go carry am just now. I don't understand just this time when you take leave Korra, very, very bad. The truth have to be said. Very, very bad. Because she need your help this kind of time. If they pay for it, I put the video more and say my people. But please tell me to share the video. Let the video go viral.
Since the split with your husband, I just got tired of watching you. Okay, let me help you by blocking you. Bye. People are really jobless. I just don't want to read any negativity. Can we just keep it positive, please? Gosh, too much hate in the world. Can we just be happy? If you love your child, get off Facebook and make sure I'm actually on Facebook and feeding my child. Why do I need to get off Facebook? Why? Why do you guys want me to get off so bad? Are you tired of seeing me? And the thing is, have a rethink, Korra, have a rethink. Go and save your family. The people who are talking like that have never been married. That's not how it works. I'm not even going to indulge in all this rubbish. Sending love and happiness. If you want to see my beautiful babies, you can stay. And if you don't, Zaichien, bye. It's not by force. They're like what? 1 million other content creators. You guys can go there. I don't know why you come here to come and talk rubbish. It's not by force. Love watching you. Thank you. Thank you, Christine Thomas for 50 stars. JP Nina Baby Pascal for 50 stars. Yummy. Thank you, Mata Ox, for 100 stars. Hey, Korra, check your email. I'd like to help be your nanny. No, I'm not taking any nannies at the moment. I've been married 20 years and ups and downs are a must to grow. Good for you. Screen recording team are getting at it. Yeah, about that. I'm gonna get my lawyer to start copywriting most of these blogs. Like, you cannot just steal my content and go and create traffic on your content. That's not okay, baby. That's copyright theft. And if I copyright you, you'll start crying that my page, they've deleted my page. Thank you, Davlin, Sweetness, Erin. Thank you, Samantha. Thank you, Ariana Brookington, for 100 stars. Thank you, Tammy Warner. Oh, no. Arlene Angela Blair for 200 stars. Franny Bish Johnson for 50 stars. Lungili Mathi for 50 stars. Fatuma Msango for 75 stars. Coretta Chester for 50 stars. Thank you. Tete Bay for 200 stars. Mami Arabi Smiley. Irene Joseph for 100 stars. Love you. Thank you so much. Appreciate all the stars. Vida Ajoa Gacy. Martha Solomon. Thank you so much. Tiffany Rowe. Maybell Chins. Faye Mon. Thank you for 50 stars. Christina C. Metzger. Thank you. Vivian. You want to eat? Okay. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat, June? You want to eat ice cream for breakfast? Come on. That's not healthy. Ice cream is not healthy for breakfast, my love. Maya Love, Carla Natasha Simon. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Xavier Lucy, Whitney Thomas, Zara Tino, Jasmine Lee, Arabian Day Gorgeous, Ella Davidson, Felicia Duham, Emily Gilson, Rose Ose, Noella Diol, Zued Allen Edwards. Thank you for 75 stars. People are concerned about you, but you can be so rude to people. That's my personal opinion, and I'm not trying to be negative. Well, you are, and you've been blocked. If you want to be concerned and you want to show your concern, shut up. Don't make me feel bad. I'm already on the floor. You're still throwing stones. What kind of human beings do that? Thank you, Nikki Pierre. Thank you, Mabel. Thank you, Muftau Suliat. Janet Fullward. Thank you, Genevieve Frederick. Thank you, Shirley Allen, Julie Christine, Bebe Dunal. Thank you, Felitza Emanuela Jacob Lovett. Thank you, Korra. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Sunday Joy, Blessing Gold. I'm spending my time with my children, making sure that I'm healing mentally, physically, and emotionally, in every sort of way. And some people just want me to die or cry to make yourself feel better about your life. Thank you, Joy Isoken Igile. God is my strength. God is in control. And that's all you need to know. It's on a need-to-know basis, okay? Thank you, Okoli Rita Onyechukwu, Deanne Mitchell, Thomas, Tracy Pawandiwa, Tete Deanne. Thank you so much. If I'm not okay, who's gonna take care of the kids? Who is? Who will take care of Jim? Who will take care of Athena? If something happens to me, say God forbid for some reason, you've forgotten I'm postpartum. I am postpartum. Women after pregnancy are susceptible to all sorts of things mentally. Postpartum depression, postpartum psychosis, postpartum, all sorts of things. If I'm not okay and I'm just trying to make ends meet, coming on here and talking to you, and you guys keep throwing stones, and I'm already on the ground and you're still throwing stones, something happens to me, God forbid. Who's gonna take care of the kids? Who? Just know God is in control, and if you keep throwing stones at me when you are in your darkest place, you will never find help. Amen. Thank you. Appreciate you. If you feel like you cannot consume my content anymore because of the changes or the imperfections you've seen, because things are not as perfect as you thought, so you cannot follow this woman again, do yourself a favor and just leave. This life is not perfect. Nothing is perfect. No illusion is perfect. So do yourself a favor and leave by yourself. Amen. Nothing's gonna happen to me. I'm just saying. There's some people that are so heartless. I wake up in the morning to 1,000, like, in fact, bombarding me with notifications when I just want to be at peace. Leave me alone. Let me just be at peace. If I'm not okay, who will take care of the children? Thank you, Gladys Kanono. Thank you. Margaret Archie. Thank you, Sierra Faye. Appreciate all the stars. When are you going to make more music? In my process of healing, I intend to make more music, to maybe tell my story in a song, you know? I don't know. But for now, I'm not creatively, ignited. I am not well. I'm not okay, okay? So I might come here and I might look like, I'm happy. Some people are accusing me of emotional blackmail, all sorts of things. And I'm just like, the fact that I don't come here to cry, or I'm not showing you how vulnerable or how hurt or how, doesn't mean that I am fantastic. I'm just trying to heal the best way I can. And I'm on the ground. Stop throwing stones at me. Stop throwing stones at me. This is not the way I was raised. You don't come and air your dirty linen in public. You don't come and show the whole world that you're in anguish. You take care of yourself. That's what I'm trying to do. So please and please help me, help me. Help me, help me. If you say you truly love me, you love my content, you want me to go back to creating, help me heal. It's time to eat. You want to go to the kitchen and eat? You see, I have my hands full. I have 2 kids, 2 beautiful souls to take care of. I know they move that way. Don't make me move that way. Now, why are you not bopping?